Washer extractor. Efficiently extract water and reduce drying time.
Welcome to LuxMed, a testament to the Make in India mission, a global force redefining health.
LuxMed washer extractor machine is an industrial-grade appliance that washes and spins laundry to remove water in a single unit, used for high-volume commercial laundry in settings like hotels, hospitals, and garment industries. To use one, you load the laundry, select a program, which can often be customized for different fabrics and levels of dirtiness, and let the machine automatically complete the wash and high-speed spin cycles, which reduces drying time significantly. Key usage considerations include properly loading the machine for balance, using the correct water level and cycle for the load, and performing regular maintenance. How to use a LuxMed washer extractor machine. 1. Load the machine. Place laundry into the drum, ensuring it is not overloaded and the items are balanced to prevent excessive vibration and poor cleaning. 2. Select the program. Choose a program that is appropriate for the fabric type and soil level. Many machines have pre-programmed cycles and customizable settings for wash, water level, temperature, and spin speed. 3. Start the cycle. The machine will automatically fill with water, wash the clothes, and then spin to remove excess water at high speeds. Some machines may have separate buttons for starting water filling, washing, or spinning. 4. Unload the machine. Once the cycle is complete, the laundry will be clean and damp, ready for a dryer or other finishing processes. Key features and benefits. Washes and extracts in one unit. This integration streamlines the laundry process. High-speed extraction. The high-speed spin cycle removes more water than a standard home machine, drastically cutting down drying time and energy costs for the subsequent drying process. Programmable controls. Modern machines allow users to set specific parameters like temperature, water levels, and cycle times for different materials. High capacity. Washer extractors are designed to handle large volumes of laundry, making them ideal for commercial and industrial use. Durable construction. Built to withstand heavy-duty, frequent use. Tips for efficient use. Avoid running small loads. To conserve energy and water, wait until you have a full load. Balance the load. Proper load balancing ensures the machine operates efficiently and prevents unnecessary water usage. Adjust water levels. Use the lowest water level that ensures proper cleaning for the load size. Perform regular maintenance. Clean the machine and check for leaks to ensure it continues to operate efficiently. LuxMed washing extractor machine is designed with a fully stainless steel construction, a computer-controlled system for programmable wash cycles, and a robust suspension system to absorb vibration. Key components include a perforated inner drum, an outer drum, a motor with a drive system, and a heavy-duty bearing housing with seals to protect it from water and chemicals. The design focuses on durability, efficiency, and user-friendliness, often featuring a single-door front loading system for easier operation. Core components and design features. Construction. Both the inner and outer drums are typically made of high-grade stainless steel for durability and corrosion resistance. The outer body and other structural components are also made of stainless steel for longevity. Drum. A perforated inner drum holds the laundry, while the outer drum contains the water. Some designs have a single door system for easier loading and unloading. Drive system. A motor drives the inner drum, often using a variable frequency drive, VFD, to control the variable speeds required for washing and high-speed extraction. Suspension system. A heavy-duty suspension system with springs and shock absorbers is crucial for minimizing vibration and noise, especially during the high-speed spin cycles. Control system. Modern machines use a computer or microprocessor control with a touch screen, allowing for preset programs and user-defined settings. This system manages the entire wash cycle, including water levels and cycle times. Bearing housing. A heavy-duty, sealed bearing housing made of stainless steel isolates the bearings from water and chemicals, ensuring a longer lifespan. Detergent dispensing. Many designs include an automatic system for dispensing and separating detergents and other additives to ensure they are fully dissolved before contacting the clothes.